Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Tibet, a child was born in the northeastern region known as Amdo. This child was destined to become the 10th Panchen Lama, Lobsang, Trinley, Lhündrub, Chökyi, Gyaltsen, an important spiritual figure whose life would be marked by the tension between ancient traditions and modern political pressures. In 1949, the recognition of the 10th Panchen Lama was a momentous event agreed upon by both the 14th Dalai Lama and the Chinese government. At the time, China's occupation of Tibet was underway, influencing the circumstances of his recognition. Unlike the 14th Dalai Lama, who fled Tibet in 1959, the 10th Panchen Lama chose to remain, believing that cooperation with the Chinese authorities might shield his people from severe policies. He walked a precarious path between diplomacy and spiritual leadership. A notable act of courage came in 1962 when he penned this 70,000 character petition, secretly submitted to the Chinese government. This document laid bare the afflictions faced by Tibetans during the Cultural Revolution, boldly criticizing mass arrests, forced collectivization, and the destruction of monasteries. Unfortunately, this act of bravery led to his imprisonment as a political traitor, a harsh fate he endured for 9 long years. From 1964 to 1978, he was either imprisoned or under house arrest, barred from fulfilling his religious duties. Nevertheless, his spirit remained unbroken. Upon his release, the Panchen Lama returned to public life, advocating for Tibetan culture, religion, and education. His efforts rekindled hope among Tibetans, for he openly ordained new monks and engaged in spiritual activities despite the trials he faced. Then, mysteriously, in 1989, the 10th Panchen Lama died suddenly after a powerful speech supporting Tibetan culture only days prior. The abruptness of his death led many to suspect foul play, yet his legacy of bravery and compassion endured. In 1995, a new controversy arose when the 14th Dalai Lama recognized Gedhun Chökyi as the 11th Panchen Lama. China responded swiftly, taking the boy and his family into custody, a disappearance shrouded in mystery to this day. The Panchen Lama's life serves as a poignant reminder of the balance between spiritual integrity and navigating temporal power. Through his story, we learn that courage in the face of adversity transcends time and politics, embodying a universal Dharma principle, standing up for truth and integrity despite worldly challenges. Thus, the sutra says, the true Buddha teaches not only by speech, but also through action, unflinching in guiding beings towards the light.